welcome back to my vlog. This is Susie from Threadquarters. Yes, I have changed my online name. You might have noticed earlier in the week that Sea Salt and Stitches, or Susanna Forsyth Sea Salt and Stitches, seem to disappear off YouTube and Instagram and everywhere else. It's because I have been working very hard in the background to sort of have a little bit of a rebrand, if you want to call it that. I mean, I'm not a brand, so I can't really rebrand myself, but I just felt that Sea Salt and Stitches was a name I sort of came up with about 5 years ago, and I had the intention of writing a blog about my life living by the seaside, hence the sea salt, and just I was going to be doing sort of more like a lifestyle type blog. That never happened. I appear to not be very good at keeping up with blog posts about that, and I have really, you know, just gone head over heels into the sewing aspect of my life, and that's what this YouTube channel is all about. That's why you guys watch it, is because of all the sewing. So I really wanted to create a new name, a new look that was to do 100% with the sewing. So I came up with Threadquarters. So I've got a nice little logo and name and new blog, so I'll put all the details below if you want to check that out. My Instagram has also changed over to Threadquarters. So I hope it wasn't too confusing for you all, and I really did mean to do it all at the same time and announce it on YouTube at exactly the same time, but a couple of wee things popped up and it sort of pushed my announcement forward a bit on Instagram in particular. So, which I'll talk to you about in a second, but as I say, I'm really sorry. I hope it wasn't too confusing, but I am now going under the name Threadquarters, and I hope you keep enjoying my videos. So the reason why I had to push the announcement forward a little bit on Instagram is because I got some really exciting news at the weekend. I was picked to be part of the Like So Amazing blogger team. Yay! I am so thrilled. If you follow Like So Amazing on YouTube, it's Sarah. She has a really great YouTube channel as well. If you don't follow her, please do. I'll put the link down below to her channel. But she has recently opened up her own fabric shop. Yay! So exciting. I mean, I'm so thrilled for her. I'm slightly jealous because I would love to do something like that myself. But she was looking for folks to join her blogging team, and you had to apply, and I did, and she picked me. Yay! So it means that every now and again I'll get to pick a bit of lovely fabric from her shop. Do check it out because she's got some lovely stuff there, and make something up, and I'll write up about it on the blog, and I'll try and remember to show it to you guys on YouTube as well. So I actually have a whole pile of things to sew for at the moment. I have my first make for Like So Amazing's blog. It'll be coming up in the middle of May. Lisa Kitch from And So On is hosting a sew along, which I'm sure she must have announced on her channel, called, let me see, #handmade summer dress. So that's a pretty cool one. She's doing that in collaboration with, I'm just going to double check, sorry, I'm really bad at remembering things, the Minimal Approach, at the Minimal Approach. They are doing a nice summer dress, and I am going to be sewing one, and I'll be promoting it all to make sure you all join in with the sew along as well. And I'm going to be making the Tilly and the Buttons Batine, actually as part of my spring capsule. If I ever get around to making my spring capsule, it's sort of been put on the back burner at the moment, but I'm trying to incorporate it in my other commitments as best as I can. So this is one of the ways I've done it, is I'm going to be doing the batine for the handmade summer dress challenge, and also I can include that then of course as part of my spring capsule. So that's what I'm doing this weekend, and I'll hopefully have a video up about that early May. And then I've also got my SEWISFACTION blogger make coming up at the end of May, and that is going to be a really cool one as well. I can't wait to do that. Kind of nervous about it because it's jeans of some description. I won't say exactly which ones, but not closet case ginger jeans actually. I am in the middle of making them, but I have fitting issues, and of course I am procrastinating on on perfecting them, and as I say, have lots of other commitments to do, so they will get done eventually, hopefully. I've also been working on one of my UFOs. Thanks so much for your support in my confession to my UFOs. I have a lot of them, yes, but I got my bum in gear and started working on the one for my mum. So that was the pajama bottoms, and they are done, yay! But I do need to do a little top to go with it, but hopefully that won't be too difficult because her birthday is on the 11th of May, so the plan was they were supposed to be for Christmas, they're now for her birthday. So I've got the pajama bottoms done and I just need to do the t-shirts. So as I say, I have so much sewing to do. But talking about the UFO confessions, a lot of you said that you would be up for doing a UFO sew along challenge, so to speak. And I asked you guys if you wanted to do it, what sort of month would be a good idea. And the overwhelming majority of you voted for September. Great. I'm really glad that there was really one month that stood out above all others, so that's fantastic. So let's do this, guys, yeah? I will announce it more officially closer to the time, but just pencil it in your diaries that we'll all chip away at our UFOs during the month of September. If there's things that need to be done before September, do them. That's why I went ahead and just knuckled down and did those pajama bottoms, because I was like, they need to get done. So that's fine. I still have a ton that I could work on in September. So yeah, so we need to think of a nice title for this sew along, and also like maybe a hashtag. Please do join me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at Threadquarters now, so please do find me there. I'll put the link down below as well, because I do a lot of Instagram stories there, so if you want a bit more chat from me, my rubbish nonsense that I go on about, I'm always chatting on stories, and I put up posts showing what I'm working on at the moment. I've shared my mum's pajama bottoms on there, so please do follow me along there. If you don't, it would be great to see you over there, and I always love catching up with you guys over there, so please do. Yeah, so I have quite a fun vlog for you, hopefully coming next week. I went out shopping yesterday, woohoo, by myself. Mum and Dad looked after my little boy, so I had some opportunity to go out shopping. Now I am on a ready to wear fast this year, so I wasn't shopping to buy clothes, I was shopping for sewing inspiration. So I took my phone along with me, and I've taken some videos, and what I'm going to do is I'll do just like a little vlog of the day of me trying on things, and then trying to figure out styles that suit me now, because I just don't know what suits me anymore. And actually I was really surprised with the outcomes, and I found some really good sewing patterns to match some of the outfits that I fell in love with, so I'm so excited about that. Yes, more sewing plans. I do have a problem, don't I? I just can't help it. I'm just constantly thinking about sewing and how I could make something myself. I know I'm not alone there, am I, guys? No. But anyway, so stay tuned next Saturday probably for that one. I think I'm going to start uploading my videos on Saturdays now. I was trying to do Thursdays, but I think it'll be Saturdays now. So yeah, the plan is to maybe have that vlog up next Saturday. So anyway, as I say, this is just a really quick video just to let you guys know that I've changed my name. I'm now called Threadquarters rather than Sea Salt and Stitches. No more stumbling over all those S's. Susie from Sea Salt and Stitches. So yeah, I just came on to let you guys know this, and I will see you again next week. Bye!